Give you a quick demo of something I built last week. Uh, we now have a notification system built into the app. Uh, this is mostly actually a public service announcement to not abuse the notification system. But on an organization by organization basis, you can just type in a notification that everyone will see at the top of their app. So the intent of this is to say your Omni trial will expire on 8:30.
Already used it once, so
Did it work?
they have not responded yet. But
So no. And you have to do a hard page refresh to see it. But once you do, this will show up everywhere. So it shows up here.
my only question about this, Chris, was I think this is super cool. The other thing I was thinking about using it for is like if we wanted to let someone know that like some specific feature came out or something like, other kinds of notifications that maybe weren't like about your trial. I was just wondering about this icon and if that was something that like maybe in the future we could change. It looks like
I
a
think I think if we're tempted to use it for that other stuff, we need to think more about it. Like
yeah,
this actually has some pretty jarring impacts on the app because everything shifts down by 50 pixels or whatever that is. And like the dashboard editing experience kind of sucks and so forth, which I think is totally fine for somebody who needs to be reminded that their trial is ending. But if we're gonna use it for anything other than kind of like a hey, we need to get your attention because you haven't been talking to us system, we need to put a little bit more thought into it.
fair. That works. I know Diego's gonna use the shit out of this one, so
Well, yeah, and I would say just keep in mind that like it does slightly degrade a little bit of the app experience, so don't use it too proactively. And I'm sure someone who's better at CSS than I am could probably resolve that issue, but you know, that's not my forte.